Ang tawag yung tinakas ng bulad. Sino nandyan? Olivia, hello. Hi, shout out everyone. I'm cooking. Thank you so much for dropping by, okay? This is a mungo bean with dried fish. Hello. This is mungo bean with dried fish, see? And I will put some coconut milk. There's a spices, yeah, here. I will put some. There's a spices. Black pepper. There's a tomato, onion. Ronald, hola. There's a spices, yeah. You have here, see? Tomato, the ginger, onion, and what do you call it? Garlic. Hola. Oh, there you go. Then I open my coconut milk here. The mungo is already cooked. So it's easy, right? So this is mungo bean. Coconut milk. Sounds good. Thank you so much, guys, for there you go. This is our coconut milk. See? Yeah. Oh. See? Now I'm gonna put my coconut milk. See? Oh no. Coconut milk is already there. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Oh. It's good. Lady, man, Matias, Sisi. Munggos ra, oy. Munggo, pang dinner ba? Shout out to you. Mrs. G, thank you so much for dropping by. Luto tagkuan, munggos. Munggos ba day? Munggos. Yeah, munggos. Ay, munggos kayo. Patay mo ko. Ibang sapa. Wala kita nasa. There you go. Tanga na tagkuan. This one, dried fish. Tilawan, be. Tilawan na to, di tilawan. I need to put some this Himalayan salt. A little bit.